बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज की वीडियो के अंदर हम क्लास 6 हिस्ट्री चैप्टर नंबर 3 आर्याज, कुशान्स एंड गुप्तास को स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। तो सबसे पहले एमसीक्यूज नंबर 1 है, द मौर्य एम्पायर फुल ऑक्युपाइड नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ द इंडिया बाय 316 BCE। Under the caste system, Aryas divide people into the caste or groups. 4. Third है, King Ashoka became the emperor of the Maurya Empire in 268 BCE. Fourth है, Chandragupta I was the founder of the Gupta Empire. 5 है, the term Arya means noble. Short question number 1 है, write 3 name on socio-economic conditions of Gupta Empire. 74 पेज के ऊपर इसका आंसर होगा। आंसर है, the Gupta Empire stretched across the northern, central and part of the southern India. Point 2 है, during Gupta's time people were given many facility of life. Third, gold and silver coins were issued in the great number of which is general indicate of the health of the economy. Question number 2 है, why King Ashoka period was a golden era of India. पेज 76 के ऊपर इसका आंसर मिलेगा। आंसर, King Ashoka period was golden age of the Maurya Empire. Third, who was the first ruler of the Gupta Empire. 72 के ऊपर इसका आंसर मिलेगा। आंसर, Chandragupta I began a period of overall prosperity and growth. He started a rapid expansion of the Gupta Empire and soon established himself as the first ruler of the empire. Question number 3 है, what was the main source of Arya wealth. Answer, the Arya were mostly interested in making tools and weapons. Question number 5 है, which war changed the mind of Ashoka the Great. Answer, Ashoka adopted Buddhism soon after and embraced the message of love, peace and kindness of the Buddha path. Long question number 1 है, analyze the structure of the Aryan society. 61 पेज के ऊपर इसका आंसर मिलेगा। Answer, social structure of Aryas. The Aryas developed a system of social classes known as the caste system. Under this caste system, Arya divide people into 4 castes or groups according to their culture. These 4 castes were, आर्या के अंदर 4 कास्टें 4 जातें पाई गई, जिसके अंदर पहली है ब्राह्मण्स, परिस्ट एंड स्कॉलर्स। दूसरी है क्षत्रियास, किंग ऑफ गवर्नर्स एंड वॉरियर्स। और थर्ड है वैश्यास, कैटल हार्डनर्स, एग्रीकल्चर आर्टिस्ट एंड मर्चेंट्स। और फोर है शूद्रास, लेबर्स एंड सर्विस प्रोवाइड्स। This caste system was very important aspect life in ancient India. People were born into their castes of our life. Their caste membership determined their work, their diet, the man or woman they could marry and the people would warm their could eat. Long question number 2 है, describe the origin of Aryas. पेज 58 के ऊपर इसका आंसर मिलेगा। Origin of Aryas. After their decline of the Indus Valley civilization, another glorious civilization flourished in India. The people who were responsible for the evaluation of his civilization themselves Aryas. Arya is an English word derived from the term Arya meaning noble or lord. In the country, the term was often used. The term also been used for the refer to a race origin in the sense of the distinct population. The Arya were a migratory group of people from the Central Asia that identified themselves as a superior race. They conquered lands to spread their culture and civilization. They describe themselves as a group of free, noble and civilization people. The Arya compressed of quite different physical and cultural features. They were a white race. ये अपने 5 पॉइंट लिखते हैं, इसके आगे भी पॉइंट है, लेकिन हमने 5 पॉइंट कम से कम लिखने होते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, डिस्कस ऑन द राइज एंड कंट्रीब्यूशंस ऑफ द मौर्य डायनेस्टी। 65 पेज के ऊपर इसका आंसर मिलेगा। मौर्य एम्पायर. The Maurya Empire was the first major empire in the history of India from 322 BC to 185 BCE. Chandragupta Maurya established in the Maurya Empire by overthrowing the Nanda dynasty and expanded the empire with the help of its royal advisor Chanakya. By 316 BCE, the Maurya Empire fully occupied northern western parts of India, defecting the governors left by the Alexander the Great. Chandragupta Maurya defeated Seleucus I, the founder of the Seleucid Empire. He gained the territory behind the Indus River. After Chandragupta Maurya, his son Bindusara started on his rule from 297 BCE. Bindusara conquered the southern part of India. After his death, only Kalinga, modern Ossia and part of Tamil Nadu were left unconquered. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है डिस्क्राइब द किंग अशोका लाइफ एंड अचीवमेंट। अशोका की लाइफ और अचीवमेंट क्या क्या उसने की उसके अंदर का आपने बताना है। 67 पेज के ऊपर इसका आंसर मिलेगा। 66 पेज के ऊपर आंसर है किंग अशोका गोल्डन एज ऑफ द एम्पायर। किंग अशोका सोर ऑफ द Bindusara became the emperor of the Maurya Empire in 268 BCE. Ashoka the Great was one of the greatest emperors of the Indian subcontinent. The Battle of the Kalinga changed his life forever. Kalinga was a rich and fertile land. This was the only land left to the conqueror. This was the war that changed the mind of Ashoka the Great. King Ashoka made by many rocks, edicts and steps in this empire. काफी ज़्यादा पॉइंट है लेकिन कम से कम 5 पॉइंट आपने यहाँ पे लिखने हैं। लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है राइट अ नोट ऑन रिलीजियस बिलीफ सिस्टम ऑफ द आर्यास। आंसर रिलीजियस सिस्टम ऑफ द आर्यास। Arya's religion was a very simple. After arriving in South Asia, they accepted from the beliefs from the local people. They started worshipping anything as a god. In the religious books, Vedas, hundreds of gods are mentioned. There are 4 Vedas: the Big Veda, the Same Veda, the Yojur Veda, and the Atharva Veda. The famous gods were different gods like sun, star, fire, water, and earth etc. इन्होंने अपने अपने खुदा बनाए हुए थे, सूरज को, सितारे को, पानी को. They had no building to perform religious rituals and they prayed at the open. इनकी कोई बाकायदा एक नमाज गाह या फिर कोई एक इबादत गाह नहीं थी, बल्कि ये सरेआम इबादत करते थे. They sacrificed for the meat, lentils, milk and other items to please their gods. Now question number 6 है compare the social structure of the Guptas and Khusham dynasty. पेज 68 के ऊपर इसका आंसर मिलेगा. Answer achievements of Khushams. During the Khushams time, diplomatic contact with the Roman Empire, Caesar, Persians, Aksumite Empire, and Han China were improved. The Khusham linked the sea-going trade of the Indian Ocean with the commerce of the Silk Road via the Indus Valley. They introduced gold coins. They provide security that encouraged travel across the Punjab Pass. They also facilitated the spread of the बुद्धमिश टू चाइना. अब इसमें देखिए काफ़ी पॉइंट आपने कम से कम 5 पॉइंट लिख देने हैं. इस साथ में मैंने बताना था द गुप्ता एम्पायर इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ द 4th century a powerful and undefined central empire of the Gupta appears which once again united the entire subcontinent. It remains approximately 320 CE to 550 CE. This empire was founded by the Chandragupta Gupta I. नेक्स्ट चंद्रगुप्त गुप्ता के मतलब बताया गया है, आपने इसमें भी कोई से 5 पॉइंट लिख देने हैं. लास्ट में क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है एनालाइज दी खुशाम इरा. पेज 68 के ऊपर इसका आंसर मिलेगा. खुशाम इरा लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. ये लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 के अंदर भी इसका आंसर था. द खुशाम इरा वाज द फर्स्ट फॉर्म्ड इन द अर्ली वेस्ट सेंचुरी. कॉमन इरा इट वाज द ईस्टर्न एंड नॉर्थर्न अफगानिस्तान एंड नॉर्थ वेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया. द खुशाम वर अ nomadic people living in eastern central Asia. Kuleja cat species found by the Kusham Empire. The Kusham movement in the India can be traced back to the 1st century CE during catfish one time. Catfish 1. आपने catfish 1 का मतलब बताना है और आपके पास ये देखिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा पॉइंट आपने कम से कम 2 पॉइंट आपने इसमें लिखने हैं. ये थी हमारी आज की वीडियो. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट वीडियो के अंदर हम इसका नेक्स्ट चैप्टर करेंगे. तब तक के लिए इजाज़त. अल्लाह हाफिज़.